This is the I.N.C. International Concepts Women's Built/Fanny Belt Bag in Tan. This great bag featured on the IT list in those popular magazines. It's spot clean only. It has a gold tone closure. The approximate width of this bag with the tassel, which is so darn cute, is about 6¼ inches wide and about 4 inches in height. Single-prong harness buckle. It comes in small, medium, large, and extra large. And thanks for checking out the I.N.C. International Concepts Belt Bag in tan or maybe brown. And as always, happy shopping!